If you don't like this video in 5 seconds, none of these glitches will work for you.
Hello my mystical friends, welcome back to my channel Mystical Fine Arts. Today we're going to make this beautiful sculpture painting. If you have been following me on the whole series of sculpture painting, you will be noticing this is one of my easiest but the most beautiful composition I've ever made. So do watch the complete video to try it yourself at home, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more creative art videos. Stay connected and let's check out all the materials needed. We need sculpture paste. Here we're going to use sculpture paste by Itsy Bitsy Snow Spread color. It is used for decorative plaster, for sculpture painting, 3D flowers and relief art. The paste is ideal for 3D designs, whole formations like petal and finer details well. Can be used with stencils, best applied with palette knife. It is water based and the drying time depends on the applied thickness. Number 2, we need palette knife for this sculpture painting. We'll be using a 4x6 canvas board today and some colors. I'm going to use neon colors today. I think we would need green and some pink and some orange. Also, I've made sculpture paste separately for the stems in green color. Its consistency is somewhat like this, a little bit thinner than the normal paste. Now to make this paste, all you need is green acrylic color, ceramic powder, some white glue and a bit of water. Mix it all together until you get the desired consistency. Let's open and see how it looks like. Now let's check the consistency. It's a bit thick and a bit hard. I guess we'll have to soften it. So let's start softening the paste. Just making it a little soft by adding a dash of water. Yeah, now it looks better. So let's make some more. I'm adding colors according to the requirement. I'm planning to make pink tulips and a bit of peach color, just to give a little bit of depth. I'm ready with my shades. Now we can start painting our tulips. Now before we start painting our tulips, I'm preparing my canvas with background shades. So using the same texture that we've created, as my backdrop, you can say, so that you get a really beautiful feel of the painting. Now let's start the fun part. We're gonna start with the leaves. So it'll make it easier for your painting, you know, to stick to the canvas. So you can start with creating leaves, and then on top you can place your flowers, buds, and stems at the end. Now stay tuned and watch the whole tutorial to learn the technique to create tulip buds and stems. Enjoy my painting.
I wanna taste your content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption, breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Be carefree lately, yeah. Just kicking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Count 'em like the 4-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.